Hello everyone, thank you again for watching this series. This is part 3. I'm now on the ground floor. I'm going to show you a few changes that we're going to be doing. This is the block of 10. We're looking to increase the density to 13. So I'm on the ground floor. This is where you walk in the entrance. Follow me through. So this is the entrance door. We've got 1 to your right, 2 to your left. We're going to look to try and create 3 to your left. I'll show you how. Come on through. There's a reason why. So this area here, it might be dark behind me. You've got probably 1.5 metres all the way back. The toilet worktop. This was used as a facility for the estate agency down the front, but it will no longer be used. So what we're looking at doing is knocking all this section out, putting a door here for the flat, which I'll show you in a minute. The door's on there, but the new door could possibly be put here. If not, we'll just box this off, leave the door where it is, and create the bedroom an extra 1.5 metres by about 3.5 to 4 metres long. That gives more usable space. Have a quick look and I'll talk you on the rest. Yeah, so just remember, I'll call that a storeroom. Come on through, I'll come back to that in a minute. So the flat over there, I'll talk to you in a minute. So this is the original flat door. Come on in. There was a kitchen there. You can still see the tiles on the wall. This was a lounge area, and the boiler was in the corner. And through here was the ensuite and the bedroom. But let's have a quick look here. But you can see a narrow hallway, the bathroom, and a small bedroom. So that storeroom is at the end of that bedroom. If we're knocking that back 1.5 metres, also 3.5 to 4 metres length, that creates a nice sized bedroom now. What we'll do is leave this the same layout, shorten the ensuite, creates a bigger bedroom, knock down the storeroom, creates a bigger bedroom, and make everything else new. New kitchen, new bathroom, plumbing, wiring, boiler, everything. But have a quick look there. You might not be able to get all the way in, but have a quick look around. So I'll call this flat 3. So flat 2 I'm going to show you next. What we're going to be doing is moving the door, which we'll walk through shortly. We're going to put the door back in here. And there's a reason why we're going to put this flat door back in here. I'll show you now. So come on through. So this door at the moment is a hallway. The hallway for the estate agency, flat 2, and the flat to the left here. So I call it flat 1, 2, 3, okay? With flat 2, you get through here, flat 1, you get through here. But put the door there, now we get a new flat door here for this flat, okay? Creates a hallway, more usable space for this flat. Then, now you're walking through the door, this wall all on the right, we're taking this wall out. We're going to be putting a steel and pad stones above. This allows a big open plan kitchen lounge. So where we are now, all of this space is going to be incorporated in this flat. This one to my left is getting boarded or bricked up. Come on through, you'll understand more when you see. So what you've done, you come in, you've walked around that way, kitchen lounge. I am now standing in the ensuite for this flat. This section will be the ensuite, again increasing the density. So here we are. This is going to be the bedroom. So we're going to get a bit of a wall here. The bedroom behind me. This section where the kitchen originally was. This is the galley kitchen. So the wall here. Here's the bed. This is the galley kitchen. You see kitchen here. So that means what we've done, we've walked through taking that wall down, kitchen lounge. This is the lounge alone. Walk through here, kitchen on my left, ensuite to my right, bedroom in front of you. We've increased the already usable space. These have been passed many years ago as happy usable areas. We want to increase the size of these flats. That's what we're doing, increasing. So through to the one over here. Exactly again, this is a studio flat originally. The kitchen was there, lounge, bedroom through here, a bit like the one above. Exactly the same, bathroom, there was a double bed here, a small double bed, which I can touch both walls, they're not even stretched, so it's not usable. We're going to try and increase this bedroom size. We may even take the wall back out, same as upstairs, create a big open plan studio. Now, let me show you about the estate agency. Something that we're looking at doing. Come on, Phil. So, this is the original estate agency, which is A2 use, which means as part of the permitted development along the prior approval route, this is under 150 square metres, as you'll see in a minute, it's way under that. So we're looking to go through prior approval to convert this to C3 residential flat. So this is where we're going to try and get one extra in the second story, we're going to do one extra on the first, and this is where the third one comes in. You'll see that we've already started stripping the old building out. All the stuff is good and can be used. We're going to be giving this to a charity, all the metals to a scrapman. It's all about reusing the good items and utilising your skips in a better way. So metal scrapman, washer scrapman, etc, etc. So this is where we're going to try and create an extra flat. This can go whatever way we want it really. So this could be a bedroom that we're in now. Still a nice sized bedroom. Have a look around. Then what we can do, because all of this is stud wall, take all the stud out. There's going to be a big open plan kitchen, lounge and a bathroom behind it. But there's a lot of natural light. Once this wall comes down, it will flood straight through. There's natural light on the door to your left, so it will have its own entrance door. So this is where we're currently at. So that's what I was saying about trying to increase the quality, trying to increase the flat size if possible by using hallways that aren't being used, and then trying to increase the amount of units in the building. That increases the valuation. So if there's anything else I can help you with, I will keep on doing these week on week. Please do comment below. Don't forget to subscribe as well. I'm here to help. Comment. I answer every single question. Thank you for tuning in. I'm John Colclough, and have a great week.